Namaskar. Majhi Vasundhara Abhiyan is a government of Maharashtra initiative to connect every citizen to do something to conserve nature. We are working on five elements where water is a very important part. In an urban area as well as in rural area, we have to catch rainwater so that we can recharge our groundwater level, because most of the water that we consume, it comes from inside the ground is the best place to conserve water, to store it, because during the rain, if we do not direct all the rainwater into the ground, then there are floods. The water is lost, it flows into the river and it goes to the sea. So the same time where we have flood like situation, we also face drought situation at the same place in just few months. What we are showing you is a beautiful initiative by BMC, Mumbai Municipal Corporation, in spreading awareness of Varsha Jal Sanchay, that means rainwater harvesting, by making a social khadda, which is percolation pit. What you see here is a beautiful diagram where the water from the terrace, you see, with the help of pipe, it underground pipe, it is diverted to a pit. Pit matlab khadda, which is almost 6 feet wide, 4 feet, 6 by 4 and 8 feet deep. That is a just for demonstration purpose, but the size can be as per your requirement. And inside we have half of it is filled with big stones, smaller stones and sand. Now I will show you this demonstration place, which is in Kandivali West, next to the railway station, and this has been beautifully made by BMC in the school. It is a BMC school called Bajaj Road School, where you can come here and see this with your eyes. This is the pit which is covered for safety reasons, that you can also do. And what has been done is very simple. This is a bigger institution, because if I show you, this is a huge education. This is a school of municipality, and the water with these pipes which is coming down, you will see a lot of pipes, 1 2 3 4 5, you'll also see 6 7 8 pipes. It is all running down, and all the water is channelized to the chambers where the water is collected, and underground pipe is connected to this particular pit. I showed you the pit diagram. The same thing, this is a pit which is 15 feet by 15 feet and 15 feet deep. It is made as per the water available. So we have a big terrace, so 2 or 3 of these pits have been made here, which you can also make in your housing society, or it is a commercial premise, anywhere. You have the space. Norms are very simple, that it has to be away from big trees. So if you see, there are no big trees here, big trees there. And secondary, it has to be 15 feet away from the main building wall, so that is also there, quite far. And then there is a pit being made, the walls are made around the pit, and the same percolation, if you see that carefully, it has been installed. Water goes into this and penetrates into the overflow water. There is an extra pipe been put which goes to storm water drain and moves out. But this has a big capacity. What you are seeing, this has a capacity of 1 lakh liter plus of water, which penetrates into the storm, into the ground. And every week of rain, because Mumbai gets almost 4 months of rain, so we can say that almost 16 to 20 lakh liters of water can be percolated into the ground. And groundwater, when it goes in, it helps the trees to flourish, it helps the moisture to be maintained, the ground level temperature is maintained, flood control. Like in Mumbai, we had a lot of floods that's happening in the urban area because water is not penetrating into the ground. Everywhere we have these tiles, paver blocks, even in the housing societies. So if we divert all the water in these kind of pits, our solution is achieved. So please come here, people who are living in Kandivali West, even in Thakur complex area, Mahavir Nagar area, and even Borivali and Malad, people can come here and see this. There will be people who will guide you. If you need any help, you can go to Majhi Vasundhara Abhiyan page and get lot of more details. Also, I would request all of you to visit Majhi Vasundhara Abhiyan, majhivasundhara.in, www.majhivasundhara.in. It is the place where you should go, see what are the challenges where you should come forward and connect to and contribute your ways to improve your life's quality and life experience. So rainwater harvesting making a percolation pit, which is shosh khadda. This is the example. Please come and watch, share this video so that more and more people can understand this concept, because this also works very well in your housing societies. You can use the top for your parking purpose or anything else. It is not that you are going to lose the land. So thank you so much for watching. Please support Majhi Vasundhara Abhiyan and let us do our bit. Thank you.